Hey guys, welcome to a new part of Keeping Up with Coins. So in today's episode we will be exploring this 5 franc coin of Belgium. Belgium is a country in northwestern part of Europe. It is surrounded by countries like France, Netherlands and Germany. As you can see, there is an high influence of the French and the Dutch culture in Belgium. Almost everything in the Belgium is divided on the basis of French and Dutch. Like you can actually find the French version and Dutch version of everything from Belgium. In the same way, in coins also there is a French version and the Dutch version. So the coin in my hand is actually the Dutch version of French 5 franc. This is actually used the French version and the Dutch version. There is only difference in the language. It has the same value. It is used in the same way in earlier. Now it's not used in the Belgium because of the replacement of these coins by the euro. So let us now examine the physical features of this particular coin. This particular coin was issued in the Belgium when Baudouin first was the king of the Belgium. He was the king of the Belgium from 1951 to 1993. This coin is actually a standard circulation coin of Belgium, which is minted between 1986 to 1993. So this 5 franc coin of Belgium is having a weight of 5.5 grams and diameter of 24 millimeters. The thickness of this particular coin, you can see the thickness of this particular coin is 1.72 millimeters, and this coin is actually made of brass or aluminum bronze. So it's actually a brass made coin. Now the coin alignment in this particular coin is actually the coin alignment. This coin is not having the metal alignment. Like let's turn and see. The image in the other side is in the opposite direction. So this kind of alignment is known as the coin alignment coins. So this particular coin got demonetized in 20th of February 2002. So now let's look into the meaning of the pictures given in this particular coin. So in the obverse side, if you are looking closely, you can see a stylized image of Baudouin I, the king that I mentioned earlier, who ruled the Belgium from 1951 to 1993. And below that you can see letters J, P and L given, which is actually the name of the engraver, Jean-Paul Lianen. So this is the name of the engraver. So that's a very simple design given in the obverse side of this coin. And in the reverse side, so here you can see 5 and F is representing the franken, the value of this particular coin, and the Dutch text is given. So I'm giving here the image of French text coin also. So this coin is made of Dutch text, and the year of minting 1986 is also given, along with a particular design like a tripartite design. So here also, in this side also, the image of the Baudouin first, the king, is also having a tripartition. Here in this side also, if you are like watching closely, there is a tripartition here. And if you are like looking here, you can see the mint mark of Belgium, the royal mint, and the mint master's mark also here. So this particular coin was issued by the Belgium so this particular mark you can see here, this one. So there are two, so this mint mark, this is the mint mark, and this mark is actually called the privy mark. So the privy mark are there in two versions, the bird version and the scale version. So the one we are having here is the bird version. Bird version is issued when Robert Volgelier, Robert Volgelier was the mint master of the Belgium mint. So this is an interesting coin of Belgium. So if you have this Belgian coin in your collection, do let me know through the comments. And if you have anything to add on this particular information related to the Belgian coins, that also you can like add on the comments, so that not only me but a lot of people around the world who is watching these videos will be benefited from that. So if you find today's videos interesting, do support the channel by your likes and comments, and do share it with your friends and family so that they will also get to know about such interesting facts related to coins around the world. Also, do subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will be getting the daily notifications in relation to the new videos that is coming up in the channel. So till meeting with a new coin on a different day, bye.